Lake Nipigon first appears on the Jesuit relations map of 1671, but it carries no name. It is fed by 12 rivers, each with a name as unpronounceable as it is long. It is 70 miles long, 50 miles wide, and dotted with 1,000 islands. The inhabitants of that shore were called Quanauantagu. The ever practical Ojibwe called the lake Nipigon, meaning water across to get somewhere else. The more specific Cree called it Nipigon for deep, clear water. It took the Europeans 30 years to settle on its name. Finally, in 1722, it was named Lake Nipigon by Guillaume de Lisle, a name it still carries to this day. Thomas Jeffries, in his Carte Nouvelle des Possessions Anglaises en Amérique, called the river flowing from the lake to Superior River de l'Apisaki. By the 1880s, the Apisaki River had reached legendary status as the greatest trout fishing river in the world. By then it was known in every language as the Nipigon River. Where it emptied into the Ear of the Wolf stood Red Rock House. It became the destination for gentlemen anglers from all over America and Europe. The romance of Nipigon had begun.